My press-on just to pop off after a couple of days until I started doing them this way, and now they last like 3 to 4 weeks. If you want your nails to look like you just left the nail shop, this is exactly what you need to do. And like always, you can find all of this in my storefront. After you pick out all the sizes, it's time to prep the nail, and this part cannot be skipped if you want your nails to look flawless. Make sure you push them cuticles back because that's going to allow your nails to bond easier with the glue and to help them last longer. And make sure you trim around the edges to get rid of all the dead skin and any hangnails that you might have. Buff out your nails to add some texture so that the glue has something to stick to. And this is the step that a lot of y'all are missing. Yes, I am the sunscreen police. You need to be using sunscreen when you use these UV lights. To make sure that your nails don't lift, you need to dehydrate them, and I just use a cotton round and some alcohol to do this. This is the glue that I use because this is what came in the kit when I bought it, but they also have one that's like a polish. I haven't tried that one yet, but if you have, let me know how you like it because I might give that one a try next. I cure each finger individually for a minute and hold it down for the first couple of seconds. Once I'm done with the whole entire hand, I put it under the light again to cure for another minute. After the glue is dry, then I go in and clean it up with my drill. Am I using the right parts? Probably not, but that's my business. I make sure that I get rid of that little tip on the end and clean up any extra glue underneath as well. By using builder gel, you're going to help add strength and some thickness to your nail to make them almost like acrylics. Even after this gel is cured, it's still going to be a little tacky, so you are going to need to go in with the top coat. Once you apply that and cure it for 60 seconds, you're good to go. And please don't forget your cuticle oil. If this was helpful, make sure to share this video and follow for more at-home glow-up tips. Cheers to becoming our own nail techs and saving some money this year.